Let's make 3-in-1 herbal Moringa body scrub. This is easy to make, and this body scrub will deeply cleanse and nourish your skin as well. You only need 3 ingredients to make this, and if you're new, you're most welcomed. Here on this channel, it's all about natural hair and natural beauty remedies like this one. So like this video, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. To make this body scrub, we're going to be using whipped soap base. So this is an already made whipped soap that you can get in any local store around you, and it is easy to use because it has already been prepared, and all you need to do is just to whip it up and use. So I'm going to also be listing the right measurement in the description box. Do well to check out the description box for the right measurement. So in here I have my whipped soap measured out, and I will go ahead to whip it up. Now because I'm using a small portion of this whipped soap, it's going to take a while to whip it up compared to when you're using a larger quantity. And so I'm going to just whip it up. You need to whip it till you get it to a very soft and creamy consistency like this one. Like you're going to whip it for maybe 1 to 3 minutes before you can get the creamy consistency. So once it is like this, then we are almost there. Now, depending on where you get your soap base, yours may come out different from mine. Like it can come out thicker or more creamy than this one. So just make sure that you get your soap base from a reliable supplier. Now, the next ingredient is Moringa herb. Now, Moringa herb is one powerful herb that is great for our skin. This herb is very nourishing to the skin. It can help take care of skin issues like eczema, psoriasis, rashes on the skin. This can actually take care of it. It's a very powerful herb that is very, very great for our skin. So here I'm adding my Moringa powder, and I'm just combining it. You can combine it with just your hand, your spatula. You can just go ahead and combine it with your spatula, or you can also use your your mixer, You can use a mixer to combine it very well. It is faster and will help to distribute or just help you to combine it very well without having any cluster of Moringa powder. Now, also do bear in mind that the moment you add Moringa powder into this whipped soap, it automatically changes from white to either creamy green or lemon green color, which is actually nice. So which means you don't need additional coloring to this. The Moringa powder will automatically help you color this whipped soap base to green. So at the end, you're going to be having a green, kind of green colored body scrub. Alright, moving on, I have measured my exfoliants, and here I'm using sugar as my exfoliant, but you can use any exfoliant of your choice. You can use white sugar or brown sugar. You can also use salt or even natural beads, whichever one you're comfortable with. Just choose an exfoliant of your choice. And I'm using sugar because sugar is actually great for the skin. Sugar will help to deeply remove dirt, especially those dirt that our soap and our sponges may not be able to remove. Sugar will help to remove it. Like massaging this scrub into your skin gently will help to remove those kind of invisible dirt from your skin. So sugar is actually a great exfoliant. Once you combine sugar, you keep turning it or combining it very well till everything is well combined. Once you add in your sugar, just combine very well. And the last ingredient I'm adding is actually optional. I'm adding preservative in here, but this is optional, but because sometimes some of these whipped soap have already been preserved, and the preservative can actually cover this body scrub. Like, you may not need an extra preservative, but to be on the safe side, because I'm adding moringa powder into this, I decided to add an extra preservative, so it's quite optional. Alright, so once your body scrub is ready, it is time to package it. Now, after a few hours, you're going to notice that your body scrub is going to become darker. Like, once it is fully combined and have rested well or infused well, it will turn darker, and it's actually a very nice lemon green color, so it will actually come out very nice and also thicker than the initial one. And now our body scrub is ready. You can go ahead and use it right away. To use this body scrub, all you need to do is just cleanse your skin, make sure your skin is clean, and while your skin is still wet, apply your body scrub all over your body. You can also use it on your face, and then massage it gently into your skin using either an exfoliating brush or an exfoliating glove. Just make sure you take your time to massage it right into your skin. It foams and lathers very well, and so you may not even need an extra soap. That's how amazing this body scrub is. So massage it right into your skin and cleanse it and rinse it off properly, and then follow up with your skincare routine. And thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and like this video so the algorithm will let me know I'm doing something great here. See you soon in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye.